Guys, today I'm back with some more UV resin craft. I'm nearly at the end of this bag, mixed bag of charms, and all that is good. Now I have pulled this one out. It's a moon shaped pendant with a heart. So I've mixed up two different colors of UV resin and I've added glitter to both. So a purple glitter and a rose colored glitter. So all I'm going to do is fill up these areas here with the UV resin and we will cure it. Now I have got to mention that I have stuck it down on this UV resin tape. The tape is super sticky. Don't recommend getting your gloves anywhere near it because it's really hard to get off. So all I'm going to do is try and carefully fill up the mold. Then I'm just going to fill out this little star. Get this rose colour. Like so. Okay, I'm going to drag over my UV lamp and I'm going to put it under for 1 minute this side. And then while it's still stuck to this tape, I'm going to flip it over and do a minute on the other side. And I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, so that has had a minute each side. And there you have it, the finished product. So quick and easy, such a quick and easy craft with these blank charms. So totally give this craft a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.